Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to have a look at 3 profitable KDP, Amazon KDP, low content keywords that are low competition, high demand. I'm going to take you on a sneak peek on all of the 3 keywords, and then we'll head over to Creative Fabrica to look for some lovely interiors that we can download, modify, and publish. Let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel here on YouTube, then subscribe. We do daily videos talking about my own passive income journey, including tips and strategies on successful tried and tested methods. Let's get started with our first keyword for the day, and it is subscription tracker logbook. It has a keyword niche score of 55 and a total results of 382 and an average price of $7.13. Now this lovely keyword right here is amazing. Not only does it have a low total results of under 500, the keyword niche score is over 50, which is great. The higher the better. Now another great indicator I'd like to look at is any books that are ranking quite well, either have received a bestseller rank or they have a BSR of 500,000 and below. This is where you need to check out the BSR, and for this kind of analytics I am using the Chrome extension, the free Chrome extension called DS Amazon Quick View Extended. And for the analytics right here, I'm using Self-Publishing Titans, the free Chrome extension version of that. So just a little bit of background info as well. Also, apart from the bestseller rank and also the 500,000 or below that I'd like to look at as one of the best indicators that this is a profitable keyword, I also would like to look at the covers. Make sure that the covers are quite appealing. I take inspiration. I try not to copy. Another fourth factor that I look at is the reviews. If I notice that a book is ranking well, it has great reviews, I just go into there, I look at the reviews, I read. Specifically, I pay attention to the negative and low reviews, anything that's 3-star and below, and see if I could find out why they have given it a low ranking. If it's something that the publisher has done, or is it something that's basically printing issues to do with Amazon. I always try to look for ways to improve it. The second keyword is intermittent fasting challenge. Anything to do with intermittent fasting, anything to do with keto is a wonderful winning niche in most cases. Why? Because it's, first of all, it's trending. Second of all, there is a great opportunity to sub niche. Always an opportunity to dive into different fields of niches that you can make profit from. So the keyword niche score for this keyword is 39 and the total results is 233. Average price is $5. Then again, I do the exact same process for this. Now, anything that has a book that is showing a great BSR score and also great price, great cover, great reviews, just make sure to take a sneak peek, a look at to see if it's sponsored. If it's sponsored, you know not to count it as part of the factors that come into play whether this keyword is profitable. Why? Because they have specifically paid extra to have ads run for this. So anything that's sponsored, don't pay attention to that in most cases. Our third and final keyword is therapist logbook schedule record clients appointments, and it has a keyword niche score of 38 and the total results are 794. Average price is $6.79. Now don't be too afraid of the keyword niche score being lower than 50. I'd like to pay more attention also now to the total results. So if I'm doing anything that's quite similar to a therapist logbook or a client's record book, then I would use this keyword either as my subtitle or in my 7 keyword slots. So right here, I'm going to take each keyword, go into Creative Fabrica and look at any interiors that are connected to this keyword. To see if I can find any interiors, I'm going to go do the exact same one by one to save you guys time, and this will really help to determine whether this is something that I can partially automate using ready-made interiors that I'm going to modify slightly, or is it something that I would need to put extra time and effort in both constructing the interior as well as researching the topic itself? And I'd like to dive into a topic that, that's not quite connected, that's for another video. I'd like to pick in to see if the keyword is connected to other sub niches as well, and to see whether I would need to do additional research. So usually if I don't find anything on Creative Fabrica for that keyword, any interior, then that means I would need to pay extra time and effort, and then I would need to reassess whether it's something that I'm able to do right now as part of my busy schedule with all the other projects that I have running at the moment. Because anything that requires extra time and effort is going to take time away from whatever it is that you're doing if you are using other ways to make an income other than Amazon at KDP. So intermittent fasting, we have a editable fitness tracker and planner available here on Creative Fabrica. Another thing is I'd like to remove the word challenge and see what we could come up with. See, as soon as you remove the word challenge and just simply opt in intermittent fasting, you can see that the results have expanded and the results have led to more interiors being found, and thus more options as well. Now, the best thing I would recommend if you would like ready-made interiors is Creative Fabrica. I'm currently a subscriber and I pay monthly $11, of course including tax, so the price is much more lower, and I have a unlimited access to interiors, graphics and fonts, which is great. So you can get as much details as you can, and you do that with every single one. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.